Hi students, today we are going to start the exercise problems. Yesterday we completed example problems. So whatever the problems are there in examples, such models we are going to solve in this exercise also. Observe it. Yesterday maybe I hope you practice yesterday examples by understanding those ones. Observe here. First question, find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r when a is equal to, a means question, two questions are given, two models. One, when is r is equal to 3 centimeter, r is equal to 4 centimeter. Two conditions means the meaning of that when r is equal to 3 centimeter, when r is equal to 4 centimeter, just we have to calculate. And finally observe it, rate of change of the area, that means we have to show dA by dt generally, because the rate of change means with respect to time we are thinking. But in this question of the circle with respect to its radius, not mention anything time here. So with respect to radius means, so what you have to understand in this problem is differentiate with respect to radius only, differentiate with respect to radius only. The area A of a circle with radius r is given by, a circle is with radius r is given by means formula area of a circle, formula A is equal to pi r square. A is equal to pi r square. dA by dr is equal to, dA by dr of pi r square. Then what do you get, guys? Pi into d by dr of r square. 2r will come. Your problem is dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r. What he said, given that means A, r is equal to 3 centimeters means dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into substitute r value 3, you will get the 6 pi. So by observing this condition, rate of change in area with respect to radius, that means area means centimeter square per centimeter. Yesterday in first example we written centimeter square per second because there area changes happened in per second, but here centimeter square per centimeter, and same as r is equal to 4 centimeter, dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into 4, 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Students, main thing is rate of change of area with whom, whether it is with respect to time or with respect to radius, we have to understand, and what he given and what we are going to calculate. This is a very important in these problems. These are the 3 marks question, guys. So take care about the questions, and this is the solution.
Start.
Guys, next one. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Already this type of model we completed an example. Here given the 19 centimeter cube per second. Such example only, just change the numbers and here only. So guys, observe it. What we are considering length of it, we let x be the an edge of a cube. X be the an edge of a cube. V be the volume. S be the surface area of the cube. Fine. That is, volume of a cube is x cube. Surface area of a cube is 6x square. These are the formulas to that. And now we are going to calculate the word, that is given part. What he given? He said 8 centimeter cube per second. By observing the unit, what we are observing here? By observing centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube per second means cubic centimeter comes for volume, seconds comes for time. So this is dV by dt. dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second, or you can write the cubic centimeter per second. And we are taking the same way. 8 is equal to dV by dt is equal to volume means already I given here x cube, d by dt of x cube, d by dt of x cube. So that is a 3x square into dx by dt, and dx by dt means this value is transposed to left side. You will get the 8 by 3x square. dx by dt value is 8 by 3x square. What I written now, ds by dt, I am going to calculate the surface area. ds by dt is equal to d by dt of 6x square. So 6 into d by dx of x square and 6 into 2x into dx by dt, 12x into d by dx, 12x into dx by dt value is, guys, 8 by 3x square. Come here. 3 ones, 3 fours, x power will cancel. Finally, 8 fours are 32 by x will come. 32 by x will come. So when x is equal to 12 means ds by dt means 32 by 12. How much? 4 table. 4 threes are 4, 8s are 4 threes are 4 8s are, that is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. This is the second problem, guys. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. Guys, in the data, he is asking rate of change in area. Rate of change in area when r is equal to 10 centimeter, and also he mentioned one value. What is that? Centimeter per second. That what is that? Radius of a circle. Centimeter per second, that is related to radius of circle means he mentioned dr by dt. dr by dt. He given dr by dt and r is equal to 10. Then asking dA by dt, rate of change in area. So the area A of the circle with radius r is given by A is equal to pi r square. A is equal to pi r square. Now dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi r square, pi into d by dt of r square, pi into 2r into dr by dt, 2 pi r into dr by dt. This is our calculation. So what do you need here? R value and dr by dt value. If you know the r value and dr by dt value, easily we can calculate the dA by dt. So given that, what is that? 3 centimeter per second, nothing but dr by dt. And when r is equal to 10 centimeters, now dA by dt is equal to 2 pi into r value is 10, dr by dt value is 3. Finally, it is 60 pi. dA by dt value equal to 60 pi centimeter square per second. You can stop it here, you can learn up to stop here. And actually, in public examination, definitely we should write conclusion. The conclusion is thus. The area, conclusion, how we have to write means, observe it guys. Find the rate of is there na, let it be find that the area of the circle is increasing at the rate of, here you should use that. The area of the circle is increasing at the rate of 60 pi centimeter square per second when r is equal to 10 centimeter. Like this, you can conclude the problem. Guys, number of times I am telling for each and every problem, read question carefully. Read question carefully and observe the solution. All models are same only. If you understand the examples perfectly, don't be fear about the solution. Easy, because all are the same method only. But what he given in question, what we are going to solve it, that is the main important. These two questions very important. Keep in mind. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube increasingly when the edge is 10 centimeter long? Guys, edge of variable cube. Edge of variable cube means just consider as length of side of a cube. Length of side of a cube. And it is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second means he is given dx by dt value. Suppose if you consider with x, if you consider with some other letter, that by dt. So centimeter per second means dx by dt. How fast is the volume? Up to now we calculate the areas, but in this problem he is asking about the volume. Volume of the cube is increasingly when the edge is 10 centimeter long means when x is equal to 10 centimeter. Simple question only. Let x be an edge of a cube. Let x be the edge of a cube. V be the volume of the cube. That is V is equal to x cube. Now dV by dt is equal to d by dt of x cube, 3x square into dx by dt. But given that what he given that, already we know that if you have values of x value and dx by dt value, easily we can calculate the dV by dt value. dV by dt in the sense rate of change in the volume. Okay. dx by dt, and given the x is equal to 10 centimeter, is given the edge is 10 centimeter. Just substitute the values, we get the 900. The 900 is nothing but cubic centimeter per second or centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube per second. Thus, the volume of a cube is increasing 900 centimeter cube per second when x is equal to 10 centimeter. So clearly read the question and note down this answer. Whatever the examples we worked on that, just same like that only. Next one, fifth one. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast means this is we are going to find out. That means change in area we are going to calculate. What type of object, guys? If a stone is thrown in a lake, automatically waves will come in a circle form. So by using that already in example also we completed that. So what we are writing on? The area A of the circle with radius R, with R is given by, with R means with radius R is given by A is equal to pi R square. Now dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi R square. Pi into d by dt of R square, pi into 2r into dr by dt, 2 pi r into dr by dt. This is change in area with respect to time. So we need here r value and dr by dt value. In the problem, he said moves in circle at the rate of speed of 5 centimeter per second means is given the dr by dt. dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per second, and when radius is equal to 8 centimeter, dA by dt is equal to 2 pi into r value 8, dr by dt value 5, totally 80 pi centimeter square per second. Finally, the conclusion statement, thus the area of a circle increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second when radius is equal to 8 centimeters. So again, read clearly, guys, this question and understand the answer, because already we are doing the same method only, same method we are following. From the question, what type of object is there in that? It is cube or circle or anything, just identify it, calculate this problem. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Means of that, radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second means dr by dt. What is the rate of increasing of this circumference? Already he mentioned circle, but in this problem he is asking about the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle formula, C is equal to 2 pi r. Now we are going to solve this problem. The circumference C of a circle with radius r is given by C is equal to 2 pi r. Then now dc by dt, that means d by dt of C is equal to d by dt of 2 pi r. 2 pi into r divided 1, that is dr by dt will come. 2 pi into dr by dt. Given that dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second and dc by dt is equal to 2.0.7, that is 1.4 pi centimeter per second. What is the meaning of this, guys? dc by dt means rate of change in circumference. Rate of change in circumference with respect to the time. With respect to time, this is 1.4. We are doing the conclusion for that. Thus, the circumference of the circle increasing at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeter per second. This is the sixth problem, guys. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Both we have to calculate. Guys, already this is an example problem. Yesterday we discussed. So same matter only, just change the numbers here. Just understanding of the example problem. Solve this one homework. So guys, yesterday we completed 5 problems. Yesterday we completed the 5 problems. Today I completed 6 and plus 7. Totally 12 problems. What I am saying to you, everyone, day to day you have to complete the problems. Every day. So it is going like this up to when our college will open. Up to that date, I will give like this problems. Every day you have to finish your work, complete it, understand it. Again, I am saying to you, if you have any doubt, immediately you just make a call to me. Clear? Because otherwise, when we come to the college, if I am observing any wrong with you, so you know, underline it. What? You know, underline it. Okay? Thank you guys. Note down this question. And if you are not having textbook, try to get immediately the textbook. Keep with you. Understand these problems. Try to go for more than this also. More than this also. Why means I am giving only less work to you. I am giving less work to you. And everyone, you have to complete this work. Thank you.